So let's first understand what is Python. Python is a very powerful programming language that provides quick application development. Unlike many other languages, the learning curve of Python is really very small. It is one of the top programming language currently used by programmers all over the world. It's a general purpose high level programming language that basically means that though it's a language for machines, its syntax will be still very similar to a natural language like English. It's interpreter based. That means it executes one instruction at a time and does not need an intermediate translated machine code like Java. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. That also means that it's been around for 30 years. Wow. Due to unprecedented increase in data and need for insights from this data, Python has become number one priority for any programmer or any data scientist. The current version of Python is version 3.